How's it going, guys? Happy Friday. So we're here to announce the giveaway for the Christmas cash. We have YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram right here. We're gonna be doing a giveaway or announcing the winners, $500 each. So
that's a lot of money.
Christian from YouTube, our lucky winner.
From YouTube, our lucky winner is going to be Alan Wiley. Alan, congratulations.
Alan
You
Wiley,
have won
congrats.
$500.
Now from Facebook.
From Facebook, we have Derek Proctor. Congratulations, Derek.
Congratulations. And finally from Instagram, our lucky winner.
Let's shuffle this bad boy around.
$500.
$500. Here we go. Diana Duran. Congratulations, Diana. Congratulations to all three of you guys.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Check your DMs and have a Merry Christmas.